say, Billy? What do we talk about in the elevator?
Here she is.
Uh-oh.
Her hands are organized.
Here she is.
What do you think?
What does she have? A Patsy? Like the boy that danced with you? Remember at Disney? The Patsy?
Wait, a boy that dance with you.
What do you think, Billy? That's your baby sister, Tori.
Look at her.
Do you love her?
Oh.
Oh.
She's so cute, Billy. She looks like you.
Is she gonna be your best friend?
I missed you. Tori bought you something. It's from Tori. It's from your sister.
Your baby sister. You wanna go get it?
Or do you want to hold Tori? This is your new baby.
Look.
It's your baby. She's sleeping. You love her?
Can you pick her up, hon? I don't know. You
Oh,
should.
yeah. Here, let me sit down. You sit on my...
Yeah. Sorry.
This is your new
Billy, what does your shirt say?
Remember what I said? Watch mommy's tummy and watch mommy's private area.
Mommy's tummy's fine. I'm a big sister. Okay, here she comes.
Thanks, man.
Hi. Congratulations.
What are you
It's
ready
still
for this?
recording.
That's
I don't know
cool.
if you still want it.
Yeah, that's good. Thanks for doing that. I appreciate it.
Hi, Billy.